Hi everyone, this is a little impromptu video. There's literally no planning. I've just grabbed a camera, grabbed a microphone and decided to do this while my missus is in the supermarket. So there's going to be lots of ums and ahs, however please bear with me because it's an important point. Yesterday I had an email along with probably every other driving instructor from the DVSA, the new chief executive introducing themselves, but also within that email it said about the amount of tests that are backlogged, and there's 420,000 driving tests that are backlogged, and this is from the last year and what's happened. There's also nationally an average wait of 17 weeks for a driving test. Now there is a campaign by the DVSA. They would like this message put out, so I agree with it, so that's one of the reasons why I'm doing this video, but they would like people to only book a driving test when they are ready. There was a big problem over this last year with people booking driving tests when they weren't ready. We had it constantly, people ringing up and saying, I've got a test booked. How many lessons have you had? I haven't had any. And this is constant, and I know it's the same throughout the country. So only book a driving test when you are pretty certain and you're definitely ready to do it. I know there's going to be some, well, I might fail, but don't gamble with it, because if we're going to get this waiting list down, the only way to do it is for people to pass tests. Even my driving school, we're not taking any more people on until we know where we are from the 12th of April, which is when we're allowed to go back. But if people ring up and like they've done today, and this is the main thing that's triggered me to do this video, loads of people rang up today and I've answered the phone and they've been saying about I've got a driving test booked, I need an instructor. No one can fit you in from my driving school because we've got to accommodate the people who were with us prior to lockdown first of all, and I'm pretty certain that that's going to be exactly the same countrywide. If you book a test and you can't get an instructor, that test is then going to waste, and this was a big problem over the last 12 months. Even the little period in between where we were able to work, I was speaking to a number of the examiners and they were saying the actual dropout rate for the test was massive. So loads of people were booking tests and literally not turning up. That slot could have gone to someone else who was actually ready. So don't book your test without having an instructor, because all instructors, I'm suspecting, are going to be in a pretty busy situation because we've got our old pupils that we've got to accommodate. And definitely don't book a test until you're ready. It's down to the instructors as well, to a certain extent, to be a little tougher on their pupils. It may mean that you won't get through in that shortest period of time. However, we've got to think of the bigger picture here. Remember, there's 420,000 tests that are backlogged. And if you don't get through first time, that's not helping that waiting list. So get yourself ready, do that extra little bit. You've waited this long, maybe another couple of months while you get those extra few lessons in isn't going to do you any harm. Keep safe everyone. I hope that helps. I'll see you soon.